Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Zoom. Sign into the web portal and enable cloud recording with the audio transcript option. This makes Zoom save a VTT file. Once done, turn on live transcription or closed captioning in account or meeting settings so the feature is available in session. Make sure you, or the assigned host, start cloud recording at meeting start. Local recordings do not produce automated transcripts. This setup step is critical because it produces the raw captions you'll convert and publish. You record the meeting to the cloud and wait for Zoom to process the files. Processing can take several minutes depending on length. Once processed, go to Cloud Recordings, locate your session, and download the auto-generated VTT transcript. This file contains timecodes and text. Then, open the VTT in a simple editor to adjust obvious errors and align speaker labels. Doing this now reduces sync issues later. If you need SRT, you'll convert or reformat those timestamps in the next step. You convert the edited VTT to SRT if your player requires it, or use a tool to hardcode captions into the MP4 for universal playback. For example, utilities like FFmpeg will burn subtitles into the video. Once converted, upload the SRT to Zoom's cloud playback page or provide the captioned MP4 to viewers. Finally, verify timing and playback and make minor edits if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if your transcript never appears, confirm cloud recording and audio transcript.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.